Sharing someone's story on Facebook depends on privacy settings of this story and your connection with them. So here is how you can do it. Firstly, simply launch the Facebook app on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your Facebook account. Once logged in, on the home screen, simply look for your friend's story you want to share it. Now, firstly, all you have to do is tap on the story, open the story you want to share, then simply tap on the three dot option available in the top right corner of your screen inside the story. Now once you tap on it, you will see the drop down menu appear. From there you can see share the story option available there. Now tap on it and it will copy the link of this story. And once you have successfully copied the link, all you have to do is go to the any friend you want to share this story to. Then tap on the conversation and on the text simply paste this copied clipboard and send it, and once they tap on it they'll be navigated to that person's story. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.